Every technological innovation in the world will provide a strong impetus for industrial development. The birth of the fourth industrial revolution has brought infinite vitality to the manufacturing industry. Dlican grasped the opportunity, lead the new trend in the field of UV printing, and create unlimited possibilities for you. Print the world. Put your shoulder to the wheel. Shenzhen Dlican Digital Technology Company Limited, as an innovative, high-tech enterprise, deeply analyzes the market demand, continuously improves the technology according to the development trend, and provides customers with UV digital inkjet printing products and industrial printing all-around technical solutions to help customers achieve success and industrial upgrading. Dlican have been focusing on the core field of UV printing for many years, forging ahead, making great achievements, and winning many industry honors, and quickly becomes a trusted leading brand in the UV printing industry. In the modern factory of over 4,000 square meters and the marketing center, there are many innovative talents in the industry. They are skilled and experienced, and committed to innovation and research, applying cutting-edge UV printing technology to the manufacturing industry. Here, every member upholds the concept of providing high-quality industrial-grade UV printers to customers, and strictly controls in orientation, R&D, production, and testing, high standards, precision manufacturing, and strict requirements ensure that UV printers maintain high stability and high accuracy with high load and continuous batch printing. Relying on rich industrial experience and pioneering spirit, Dlican continues to create all types of products with superior quality, created a variety of advanced industrial-grade UV printing devices, such as the Li-16-12 Small UV Flatbed Printer, the Li-25 13 UV Industrial Flatbed Printer, the Li-30-20, the Li-33-25, the Li-20-40 Large UV Flatbed Printers, and automated one-pass high-speed printers. The products print images with exquisite and clear effects, beautiful colors, and stable quality, which meet the needs of large-scale, high-efficiency, and precise printing, and have won the recognition and favor of many customers. After thousands of days and nights of hard working, Dlican quality products emerge in an endless stream, fully satisfying the diversified needs of customers. It is widely used in various products such as building materials decoration, background walls, advertising printing, household appliances, glass processing, handicrafts, clothing bags, toys, leather packaging, digital electronics, and many other fields. The marketing covers all corners of the world. Technology is the future. The future has come. Dlican controls the core technology of UV printing, grabs the development opportunities of the industry, and insists on cooperation and win-win with customers. Dlican will strategize and win thousands of miles in the fierce market competition in the future, and determine to become a company with strong influence in the global UV printing field. Print the world. Put your shoulder to the wheel. Shenzhen Dlican Digital Technology Company Limited.